Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got a parcel today and this has come from the smiley people at Amazon. So yeah, I might just have been using Vipon coupons again. There are quite a few key rings and tool sets and well, what I'm going to show you now on there. So I'm not affiliated, I don't get any commission or anything from them, but I do like to share special offers that I find. I've had a few in the last month, so yeah, please do go and check them out. It's an app that you get on your phone or your computer or whatever, your tablet. I'll put a picture of it. It's Vipon. And yeah, it just gives you a little bit of a discount. Sometimes they have had a few canvases and things as well, so yeah, just maybe check it out if you're wanting some deals. Okay, so we have one item, two items. Oh, that's fallen in there. I wondered where that had gone. Okay, so we have two items today to look at. So let's look at this one first. These were a little bit different rather than the norm. Okay, let's open the parcel. So we've got a set of coasters, but they've got a little frilled edge. And I thought, oh, they're different. Oh, but it's a double bag. No wonder it's a double fold. No wonder I couldn't get it up. Okay, we've got our little standard toolkit there, pen, boat and wax. Okay, we've got our, oh, it looks like it's all crystals. Oh, that's going to be sparkly. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 coasters. So we've got a set of 4 coasters. Okay. These would normally be £9.99, but the Vipon coupon let me get them for £4.99. So what's that? About £1.25-ish each, which is pretty reasonable for a coaster. They're like the wooden ones, so it looks like it's 3 layers of wood there all compressed together. We've got all sorts of different colours on these, very pretty, and they look like buttons actually. These look like a button in the middle with holes on the buttons, and then you've got like this scalloped effect around the edge, this pretty effect around the edge, and then yeah, so they're all sort of the same theme. I suppose a little bit lacy. This looks like it's a little bit scalloped as well in the middle there. Looks like we've got a little bit of a scallop in the middle there. So yeah, I just thought these were a little bit different rather than just your standard round ones. We've got some scalloped ones. Okay, and again, you know, for the price, I think if you're doing them for a present for somebody or to give to work colleagues or whatever, I just think they're little dinky little doodahs. Okay, let me just get into this pack. There was a few different ones as well. Sometimes though, you can only use the coupon on the one that they want you to get. It's obviously they're the ones that they're promoting at the moment. And I'm having an awful job getting into these. Oh, there it is, look. There it is. Let's have a look at these colours, see what we've got. Oh, I think I've just spotted a hot pink. I have. So start at this end. Yep, number 1. So we have a lovely deep blue and a little tiny bit of standard, just your acrylic drills in black. A lovely amber orange colour. Nice, yeah, nice goldy colour there. A little bit of silver, a little bit of a honey gold. Hot pink. Yay, it's got to be a hot pink if it's a Liz unboxing. And we've got a nice fresh green there, nice deep red and purple. So it's quite a good colour palette, quite a variety of colours. Be nice to do these and see what they look like once they're done. See how the colours all come together and see if this scallop in the middle sort of shows up as to how they've put the gems on. Interesting. Okay. And I have found a place as well where you can get the cork backings to stick on your coasters as well. So if you don't want this on your like your furniture or on your table, then you can get a cork backing, which will also stop any extra heat transfer, but it'll stop it slipping a bit as well. So I'll let you know once I've got those cork backings and see how they work out. I don't want to show you where they come from if I've not tested them out myself. Okay, so that is that. Both sets actually are sold by the MingSH store on Amazon, so just if you're wanting to look that up. Right, and then these were a little bit different as well. Another set of coasters. Goodness me, I think everybody this year is going to be getting coasters and key rings for the birthdays, just a warning. So another basic toolkit there. Okay, looks like these are just resin drills on this set. Okay, so we've got a sparkling set and a normal set. And these are pictures, look. So we've got a blue one and a green one and sort of a mountain one and a moon one. Okay, I think this must be the sun coming up. I think they probably are famous pictures, but I don't quite know them. Is that maybe Mount Fuji? I'm not sure. I think this one may be the wave. Not quite 100% sure on them. Not brilliantly up on my artwork. But the price of these would have been £10.99, and with the Vipon coupon I got them for £5.49, so I got both sets at half price, which I think is really good. So these are the standard round ones, again the wooden ones, and these don't look like the oh yes, they are 3 layered. I couldn't quite see that. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, they've got 3 layers there as well. So it's like, I don't know whether they've put like MDF in the middle of 2 pieces of plyboard and squashed it together. I'm not a woodworker, so maybe somebody can let me know. But yeah, so let's have a look what colours we've got in these. Okay, so, ooh, lots of colours. Gosh, where do we go up to then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different colours. Wow. They're quite a more muted colour palette as well. So if people that you're wanting to give them to or yourself don't like really blingy stuff and prefer a more muted colour palette, then I think these could be for you. So we've got a very dark green and a nice spicy orange, and a little bit of beige, and a mocha colour, and a deeper brown, and another mocha colour. It's got more cream in it, that one. And we've got your standard black, and your very dark blue, and a denim blue, and a sunny yellow, your little bit of white, a nice cherry red, a bluey grey colour, so like nearly a purpley colour, but it's a very sort of deep bluey purple. And then just a standard blue on the back. So yeah, 15 colours though. Wow, excellent. Okay, just talk amongst yourselves while I get these back in the packets. Oh look, and I folded them into 2s and they're actually in a 3. Never mind. Okay, well, just a quick little video just to show you my little bargain buys again. Possibly more coming, because I do keep seeing them and thinking, oh, that's a good buy. I'm a sucker for a bargain, what can I say? Okay, let's give them a quick measure before I finish off. So the complete round ones are about 4 inches, which is about 10 centimetres, and the scalloped ones, yeah, are the same size. They've just got the scallop on. So yeah, if you put one on top of the other, they are the same. They've just got the scallop cut out of them. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you would like to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.